So you're a project manager. Maybe you've been doing it for years, or maybe you woke up one day and realized that you'd somehow fallen into the project manager role without even intending to. By now, you've probably come across one of project managers' favorite buzzwords, Agile. It's a term that's thrown around all the time in the world of project management. Regardless of how many years you've been at the job, you may still be wondering, what on earth is Agile project management? And that's exactly what I'm going to explain. When people talk about an Agile project management methodology, what they're usually describing is a flexible, iterative design and build process. Okay, that's great, but what does that mean? Agile projects are characterized by a series of tasks that are conceived, executed, and adapted as a situation demands rather than a pre-planned process. Being agile helps teams respond to unpredictability through incremental, iterative work processes.
Let's take a look at an example. A chef wants to make the world's best agile burger, but they know the only way of making that burger is to get insights from customers on what that burger should be. The requirements are pretty flexible, and the chef wants to use short feedback loops with customers to quickly iterate on the burger and make it awesome. So the chef and their team collaborate together to make the first burger. This is the first product iteration. The chef has delivered some value but needs feedback so they can iterate on the product and deliver more value next time. So as a way of testing and learning, the chef shares it with the customer, and the customer gives it a 5 out of 10. They get the feedback that the burger is okay, but adding bacon would make it better. So the chef works with the team to make another burger and adds bacon. This is the second iteration of the product. The customer gives it a 6 out of 10. So the chef has delivered more value than the last time, but they need to keep iterating so they can get to the world's best burger. The chef continues to create iterations of the burger, testing with customers, learning from them how to improve the product, and then iterating on the recipe to progressively add more value. Over more iterations, cheese, mushrooms, and pickles are added to iterate on the burger, and customer satisfaction goes up with it. The burger becomes the world's best agile burger. Through an iterative process, the product increases in value as it becomes more aligned to what customers really want.
An agile project management process is very much like the chef. It requires project teams to cycle through a process of planning, executing, and evaluating as they go along. Other project management methods usually assume that factors influencing the project are predictable, meaning that the majority of the planning happens before the projects begin. Agile, however, emphasizes adaptability to changing situations, as well as adequate and ongoing communication among the project team and between them and the client. Because of Agile's iterative nature, it reduces risk and allows for a better end product if unexpected events occur. The project will have intervals with designated goals and tasks, and once that period of time comes to an end, the team will meet, evaluate, and reassess what needs to happen to move the project forward to success. Agile methodologies are great to use in dynamic environments where there's potential for changing or evolving requirements, such as software and game development. So to wrap things up, an Agile project is flexible and doesn't require all the planning to occur at the beginning of the project. The product solution evolves throughout the life cycle of the project as the team reviews and realigns as necessary, making Agile projects more likely to end in success.